mga kumaring, mga kumpare, welcome na naman sa ako nga vlog. And yeah, I cook chicken broth and James put one potato. Yeah, potato, patata. Yeah. That's chicken broth, whole chicken, that's whole chicken. The skin is removed. Yeah, that's a whole chicken. Yeah, because James requested to cook this one too, so that I cook chicken broth. Yeah, almost cooked now. It's almost cooked. Yeah. And here outside, the kids and the teacher is here. Teacher Mian. Yeah, and RG is concentrating this English subject. Yeah. Dara ka na. Diba? Diba nga ha? Grandmother likes drinking milk. So if to make it complete the sentences, so connect the sentence using an or but. So tangan na nimo dara, grandmother likes drinking milk, but so use but grandmother likes drinking milk, but grandfather likes drinking coffee. So mao na nimong buhatod diri. Big brother studies his lesson. Unsa man nimo, bat or an?
But
Asa may sumpay nimo? Unsa may sumpay nimo pag kahuman sa bat? Sige, big brother. Di, basaha lang, basaha usa.
Big brother studies his lessons.
Sumpay.
And John plays basketball.
Bat na siya.